Hello, today I'm very excited, like super excited, like I've been wanting this for a long time. This here is the Osmo Mobile 2, which is cheaper than the Osmo Mobile 1, yet strangely has more features. Very odd. Yes, very odd indeed. This is a gimbal, for those who don't know. As you can see, holds your smartphone of choice, preferably an iPhone because iPhones do the best video. Bias. And when you move it, it stabilizes the phone, so like it's like a selfie stick, and when you hold it and you move your arm around, the phone will stay in one spot and stay very smooth. I will give you a demonstration once I've set it up, so that will be fun to do. And let's get right into the unboxing because I'm very excited. So I don't have a knife on me today, so we're going to be using a iPhone SIM eject tool to take off the plastic. And come on. Yeah, alright, we've done. Nice. Depending on how high quality the box is, I might add it to the collection because only good boxes get to go to my collection. Regular boxes don't get that treatment, so let's see. We've got another sticker here. Oh, it's opened. It has opened. Let's see what's inside. Oh, we got literature, a book. And come on, big old foam case. I'm not sure if that's meant to be kept. I might keep it, probably won't, but that's fine. And it's, ooh, that's nice. Alright, so it comes with a micro USB cable, which is nice. You need to keep this thing charged up, and it's a lot bigger than I thought it would be. We've got silica gel just to throw away. Okay. Oh, that's very nice. So as you can see, this part here is where the phone goes, and when it's turned on, it should keep the phone stable, which let's try to turn it on now. I think it's flat. That's cool, but wow, it's made out of a nice plastic, I guess, which is neat. What we have here, I believe, is record, of course, a little joystick to be able to control the gimbal when it's moving, and ooh, power. Nice. We got power. Oh, well. Cool. All charged up. Nope. Okay, maybe it's dead. Might have to charge this before using it. So I'll just grab my micro USB cable and start charging it up now. And hopefully by the time I get back, it'll be charged up and I'm ready to pair it, which is gonna be neat. So I believe you could, yeah, you can also mount it to a tripod. So if you, hold on. Broke it. Yeah, so you can mount it to a tripod, and in the app you can actually have it track my face, so wherever I move, and as long as I'm looking at the gimbal or the camera, the gimbal will then move along with my face, which is awesome. So handy, cool. And I believe, yeah, there's also USB port on the back to charge up your phone. I guess I'm gonna let this charge, so you know, see you soon. Okay, so I've charged up the gimbal and I'm actually still got it charged. I might just take it off charge for this part of the video, and it's really cool. So I downloaded the app and I had to create an account. It's kind of a big screw around, but definitely worth it. So as you can see, if I was to hold the camera like it is now, or my phone, and just move it around, it stays very stable. It's handy, you know, like, because my hand shakes a lot, and when I'm recording video, it's nice to get smooth stabilization. So I'll do an in-depth review on this, of course, but this was just the unboxing. So I've been playing around with it for a little bit and I love it. So catch you in the next one, I guess. Peace. Feels right.